How to connect HayDay with Facebook. If you're playing HayDay and want to connect your game to Facebook to save your process or play with friends, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to connect your HayDay account to Facebook. So let's get started. Open the HayDay app on your device and make sure you're logged into the game and on the main screen of the farm. Now simply go to settings menu. To do this, simply tap on the small gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the settings page where you can manage your game and account. Once you're on settings, you can simply find an option that says Facebook. Simply tap on connect to Facebook and tap on it to begin the login process. Now log into Facebook. After tapping connecting to Facebook, you'll be prompted to log in to your Facebook account. Simply enter your Facebook username and password if you're not already logged in, and make sure you're logging it with the account you want to use for syncing your HayDay progress. And that's it. That's how you simply connect your HayDay account with your Facebook account.